Imbolc dawns with a tender glow, a whisper of spring beneath winter's snow. Candles flicker, their soft light warm, a promise of life through the coldest storm. Brigid's flame, a guiding spark, ignites our hearts, dispels the dark. Hope lingers in the lengthening days. Imbolc sings of brighter ways, a celebration of light and fire, of dreams that rise and hopes that inspire. So here I just pinned the pattern to the fabric that I decided to use. I cut it out. You have to cut two, so I cut it on the fold. Here it is once cut out. And I sewed it together, leaving a little bit open so I could flip it inside out and fill it with stuffing. My fiance helped me with this because that was getting to be too difficult, because for this one I left it a little bit too closed. So I just found some excess cardboard and I just cut out a big rectangle that fit the doll as the bed. And I just cut off the excess. I found some scrap fabric and I just like cut it a bit to shape it so that it fits. I just cut off the excess here. I used some more excess cardboard to make little legs for the bed. So I cut out small rectangles of just the end of some extra cardboard I found. I didn't make them perfect the same shape as each other, I just made sure that the lengths were similar. Then I hot glued the excess fabric I found for the bed to make it look like a mattress cover. I didn't care about it filling the whole piece of cardboard because the pillow's gotta cover it. So I just hot glued the little legs to the four corners of the bed. I didn't care about it having to be like sturdy or putting two together at an angle because it's literally just a tiny doll that's gonna fit in it, so I didn't worry that these little slices of cardboard are gonna hold it up. And it was fine, even with the mattress and the blanket on top. It keeps its weight. This is the little bed I made, the blanket. I made a mattress just by making a long rectangle and filling it. I made a pillow the same way. This is just a box that I found that actually fits it perfectly, that I just keep it stored in. I made a little dress. And here she is completed in the little bed. And that's it. Happy Imbolc.